Hi, this is Jim York with FoxEdge, helping you master the art of balancing agility and focus. Welcome to our video series on Agile. Today's topic is managing conflict within an Agile team. Let's start with what this video is not. It is not about your organizational culture and its associated policies on what is acceptable or unacceptable behavior. Nor is it about whether the organization and the team is a good fit for you or vice versa. If there are violations of your organization's norms, or if you believe you are not the right fit, get appropriate help within or outside of your organization to resolve the issue. Those mechanisms are unique to the situation and are beyond the scope of this video. In other words, if it's an emergency, hang up and call 911. Okay, if you're still with us, let's continue with what this video is about. For the purposes of this talk, let's assume that you are a member of the team of your own choice, and that you share the team's purpose and goals. Team members will inevitably have different ideas and opinions. In an environment requiring agility, these differences are not only expected, but desired. Healthy conflict results in more and better informed options and decisions. Many Agile practices encourage and enable a team environment conducive to healthy debate. But what if the discussion tips into unhealthy conflict? Let's look at some examples. The first we'll call the blame game. You know you're in the blame game when you see attempts to pin blame when something goes wrong on an individual or a group of individuals. To get out of the blame game, shift the focus of the conversation from the people involved to the problem and the impact of the problem on the team's goals. Discuss what can be done to improve the situation. Seek solutions that result in a positive outcome. Another example of unhealthy conflict is when a single individual or subset of the team dominates the discussion. A team bully can suppress valuable input and contributions from other team members. A limited perspective robs the team of collective creativity. To ensure that everyone's voice is heard, have an effective facilitator help with your discussion. You can also use collaborative techniques like silent brainstorming or mob programming. Unhealthy conflict can also arise from the perception that not all team members are contributing equally. Effective teams work as a cohesive unit, balancing skills, experience, knowledge, and engagement to achieve the team's goals. Each individual team member contributes to the team's overall success. Occasionally, it might seem that a team member is not pulling their weight. While this might be true, resist jumping to conclusions. To find out what is really going on, make sure the team's work in pursuit of its goals is visible. Use a technique such as a Scrum board to reveal work to be done, work in progress, and work completed. The team should update the board in real time to ensure that it always shows the current state of the work. In combination with making the work visible, use a practice like a daily scrum to ensure that all team members know who is working on what and with whom, and what is needed where and when. If a team member is struggling, work together to get them what they need. Focus on team behaviors and interactions, and always seek ways to improve them. In general, unhealthy conflict can be reduced or eliminated by focusing on the team's desired outcome and positive actions and behaviors towards that outcome. As a team, you are all in this together. You sink or swim as one. It is in everyone's best interest to work towards team effectiveness. Conflict is inevitable. However, healthy conflict and resulting dialogue leads to better decisions. And once a decision has been made, team members stick together to see it through, or abandon the decision together in pursuit of a better idea. Thanks for watching this video on managing conflict within an Agile team. And remember, be balanced.